Hello students, today's topic is concept and characteristics of business. So first we'll talk about concept of business. Business is a wide term. It includes all occupations in which people are busy in earning income either by production or purchase and sale or exchange of goods and services to satisfy needs of other people with the main objective of earning profit. So the main objective of business is to earn profit by selling, purchasing, distribution, manufacture, whatever activity we are doing, the main motto of business is to earn profit. Business is a human activity directed towards producing or acquiring wealth through buying and selling goods. The main motto of the business is to earn profit by doing production or distribution of goods and services. Okay, the characteristics of business. There are many characteristics of business. Some of them are, and business is an economic activity. Second one is production or procurement of goods and services. Third one, sales or exchange of goods and services for the satisfaction of human needs. Fourth, dealing in goods or services on a regular basis. Fifth, profit earning, and sixth one is uncertainty of return and risk. Now the first one is business is an economic activity. Business is considered as an economic activity as it is undertakes with the objective or aim of earning money and livelihood, not for psychological satisfaction. So if we are doing business, so we are not doing for love and affection, we are doing for earning profit or for earning livelihood for us or for our family members. We are not doing if we are doing for our family, so that is not come under business. जैसे कि अगर हम फार्मर है, वो काम कर रहा है, वो क्रॉप जो है वो अपने लिए और अपनी फैमिली के लिए कर रहा है, so that is not business. तो whatever activity we are doing for earning profit, so that comes under business. So it is an economic activity. Second one is production or procurement of goods and services. Every business enterprise either produces or procures goods or services from producers. Good may consist of consumer or industrial goods and services may include transportation, banking, insurance, etc. इसके अंदर किसी भी टाइप का वर्क है जिसके अंदर हम लोग गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज जो है उनका प्रोडक्शन करते हैं. इफ़ वी आर नॉट प्रोड्यूसिंग एनी गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज, सो बिजनेस जो है वो चल ही नहीं सकता है. तो एनी गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज वी आर प्रोड्यूसिंग कम्स अंडर बिजनेस एक्टिविटी. इसके अंदर हर टाइप की सर्विसेज भी आती है. इफ़ यू आर गिविंग सर्विस लाइक ट्रांसपोर्टेशन, बैंकिंग, इंश्योरेंस, सो दैट इज़ ऑल्सो पार्ट ऑफ बिजनेस. ठीक है. नाउ द थर्ड वन इज सेल्स और एक्सचेंज ऑफ गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज फॉर द सेटिस्फैक्शन ऑफ ह्यूमन नीड्स. Business involves sale or exchange of goods or services. The production of goods or services for self-consumption is not a business. As we have discussed before, that if a farmer is cultivating a crop for himself or for his family, so that will not known as business because he is doing this for love and affection. But if he is cultivating crop for sale, so that will come under business activity. जो भी हम एक्ट करते हैं, if we are doing for self satisfaction or we are doing for our family, for love and affection, so that is not business. If we are doing for sale or for earning profit, so that will known as business, and that will comes under sale or exchange of goods and services because business is all about sales and purchase of, or we can say sales or exchange of goods and services for the satisfaction of human needs. Now the fourth one is dealing in goods or services on a regular basis. If you are doing any act for a single time, so that is not business. If I have a watch and I sell it to someone, so that is not business because मैंने वो एक बार सेल किया, उसके बाद क्या है, एक बार तो मुझे इनकम मिल गई, उसके बाद आई वॉन्ट गेट एनी इनकम ना. सो दैट इज़ नॉट बिजनेस. इफ़ यू आर डूइंग एनी एक्ट फॉर अ सिंगल टाइम, सो दैट इज़ नॉट बिजनेस. यू हैव टू डू इट ऑन अ रेगुलर बेसिस. फार्मर ने क्रॉप जो भी कल्टीवेशन करता है उसको रेगुलरली वो कल्टीवेट करेगा, रेगुलरली सेल करेगा, सो दैट इज़ बिजनेस. अगर उसने सिर्फ एक बार जो भी है कल्टीवेशन किया और उसको सेल कर दिया, उसके बाद वो नहीं करता, तो ही इज़ नॉट डूइंग बिजनेस. ओके. नाउ ऐसे तो फिर हम लोग अगर अपना घर है, हम किसी को सेल करते हैं, सो दैट इज़ नॉट बिजनेस. If we talk about broker, he is giving services and he is doing it in a regular basis. So he is doing business. तो जो भी एक्ट हम लोग सिंगल टाइम करते हैं दैट इज़ नॉट नोन एज बिजनेस. इफ़ वी आर डूइंग इट इन ऑन अ रेगुलर बेसिस, so that comes under business. This is the main this is one of the important characteristics of business, that you have to do act on a regular basis. Now the fifth one is profit earning. The main purpose of business is earning profit. If the profit motive is missing in a transaction, then it cannot be considered as a business transaction. For example, good given in charity are not a business activity. No businessman can survive without earning sufficient profit. If we are doing any donation or we are giving money for charity, so that is not business activity, because we can't survive if we are not earning profit. The main motto of starting any business is to earn profit. So if we are doing any social work, so that won't come under business. If we are earning any profit from that, so that will come under business. Now the sixth one is uncertainty of return and risk. Another important feature of business is the presence of risk factor in the transaction. There is always a possibility of losses. It is not certain that a businessman will always earn adequate profit. If we are doing business, it is not sure that we will earn profit only. We have to face loss. Maybe we have to shut our business due to losses. If you are starting any business, you have to be prepared for that. कोई भी बिजनेस हो उसके अंदर अनसर्टेनिटी बनी रहती है, कभी भी प्रॉफिट हो सकता है, कभी भी लॉस हो सकता है. तो वी हैव टू बी प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर दैट. और वी कैन से बिजनेस इज ऑल अबाउट अनसर्टेनिटी ऑफ risk and return. We are not sure whatever capital we are giving to our business, that will be earn profit or not. Whatever capital we are investing in any business, we will get a good profit or not. Maybe we will face losses, or maybe we have to close that business. Any kind of uncertainty will be faced by any businessman. Thank you.